Hey guys, in this part we talk about sets in Python. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. Sets are written with curly brackets. So, my set equal to apple, banana and cherry. Print the set, my set, save and run. Cherry, banana and apple. And sets are unordered. So you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. And duplicates not allowed. Sets cannot have two items with the same value. For example, I add another apple and run, and we have one apple. And to determine how many items in a set has, use the len function. And set items can be of any data type, and a set can contain different data types. And from Python's perspective, sets are defined as objects with the data type set. So print the type of my set, run, and class and set. And set constructor. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. So my set equal to set, and in here we should use double round brackets and save and run, and remove this, run, and apple, cherry and banana. Access items. You cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key, but you can loop through the set items using a for loop or ask if a specified value in present in a set by using the in keyword. So loop through the set and print the values. Use the for keyword for x in my set and print x. Save and run. We have apple, cherry and banana, and check if banana is present in a set. So if print banana in my set, and we should have true. And we have true. And add items. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new item. To add one item to a set, use the add method. So comment these and my set dot add and add orange, and print the set, save and run, and we have orange in here. And to add items from another set into the current set, use the update method. So I create another set, my set 2 equal to pineapple and mango and papaya, and my set dot update my set 2, save and run, and we have my set 1 and my set 2 in one set. And add a new variable. The object in the update method doesn't have to be a set. It can be any iterable object like tuples, lists, and dictionaries, and etc. So, add create list, my list equal to, for example, kiwi and orange, and my set.update my list. Save and run. We have list, orange and kiwi, and set. And remove set items. To remove any item in a set, use the remove or the discard method. So comment these and my set dot remove banana, and remove the banana by using the remove method. Save and run, and we don't have banana. And if the item to remove doesn't exist, remove method will raise an error. For example, I change the banana to pineapple, and save and run, and we have an error. And discard method. So my set discard or copy and paste, comment this and discard banana. Save and run, and we don't have banana. But if the item to remove doesn't exist, discard method will not raise an error. So discard pineapple, save and run, and we have cherry, banana, and apple, and we don't have error. And you can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove the last item. Remember that sets are unordered, so you will not know what item that gets removed. The return value of the pop method is the removed item. So comment this, and so my x, create a variable x is my set dot pop, and print my set and print x. Save, run, and the x is apple, and we don't have apple in the set. Run again, and x is banana, and we don't have banana in set. And the clear method, so the clear method empties the set. Comment and my set dot clear. Save, run, and the set is empty. And the del keyword will delete the set completely. So my set, use the del, save and run, and we have an error because my set is not defined. And loop sets. We can loop through the set items by using a for loop, and we can see this example and join two sets. There are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the onion method or return that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. So comment this, and I add another set, for example numbers equal to 1, 2, and 3, and set, for example, print my set dot onion numbers. Save and run. We have apple, banana, and cherry, and 1, 2, and 3. And update method. So my set dot update and save, and in here we should print the my set. Save and run, and we have the same result. And both onion and update methods will exclude any duplicate items and keep only the duplicates. The intersection update method will keep only the items that are present in both sets. So I comment these sets, comment, and create X, apple, banana, and cherry, and another set Y is Google, Microsoft, and Apple, and X dot intersection update Y, and print X. Save and run, and we have Apple. And the intersection method will return a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets. So Z equal to intersection and print Z. Run and save and run, and we have apple. And keep all but not the duplicates. The semantic difference update method will keep only the elements that are not present in both sets. So X dot this method Y and print X. Save and run. We have Microsoft, banana, cherry, and Google, and we don't have Apple. And the symmetric difference method will return a new set that contains only the elements that are not present in both sets. So Z is this method and print Z. Save and run, and we have the same result.